The first Erasmus Plus Youth Exchange this year has allowed our guests to learn about CEMU's citizen game. First, they discovered the physical environment of our city school in a game of clues, and afterwards, we celebrated the first bilingual assembly of boys and girls.
The boys' school of CEMU meets once again at the General Assembly for the resolution of its problems, referendum of its norms, and listening and offering assistance to all of citizens.
While finishing with a new game, the Cemunero Trivial.
In what year did Erasmus Radio start to broadcast?
1982.
Yes.
Okay.
We also had an opportunity for intercultural learning. In the kitchens of the CEMU, the participants cooked typical dishes from their countries. Pizza Margherita and spaghetti alla carbonara from Calabria, Spanish omelet, or the Lithuanian dessert Tinginys and Dziugas cheese. In addition, we enjoyed the Carnival on Sunday, which was covered live with LGN Radio.
¿Cuál es tu disfraz favorito?
Bueno, pues me gustan los disfraces de la época de Roma.
And later they invited us to visit the City Hall of Leganés. We are delighted with the development of this first European meeting and look forward to the next ones.